Hello, welcome to Heritage Ford here in Corydon, Indiana. Today I'd like to highlight one of our 2025. This is the Ranger and it is the Raptor model, which is off-road. You can really tell, look at the size of those tires and rims. This thing is made to do some good off-roading. And it does come with a whole graphic specialty package to set it off. And this does come with a 3.0 EcoBoost engine, V6, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. And you're looking between 17 and 18 miles per gallon between highway and then when you combine them. So you've got the heavy-duty tow package, you've got tow hooks, and it does have the chrome dual exhaust. And you have all your sensors. Here's your backup camera, you've got sensors in the bumper, and the tailgate here, very easy. And it is a spray-in bed liner. Does have electrical outlets over on the side, and that is a power window back there that rolls down. You see it does also have basically these fender skirts on them for protection. And if you notice, you've got a sensor right here on the mirror also. So basically you're protected all the way around on this vehicle, side to side, front to back. You've got your LED headlights, LED fog lights. And once again, you know it's got sensors in the front bumper. It's got front bumper tow hooks. And here's another nice little camera right here. And this does have the basically off-road suspension to do all your off-roading. This vehicle can pretty much handle it. And it does have leather inserts on your seats. You've got your pull down here for your cup holders, armrest. And if you notice the unique orange stitching and outlining, really sets it off. Plus back here, you've got your USB ports, 12-volt ports. You're gonna find all your light controls are right here. The bulkier controls are gonna be on your steering wheel. You've got your cruise control, you've got your stereo, everything is right here. And one thing, if you notice, this does have the pedal shifters on it to make it for a fun ride. And once again, the seating has the Raptor logo put in it. And it does come with 6 upfitter switches, which you can hook either fog lights or a winch, anything you want up to it. It's already wired. Before we take off, a couple of things I want to show you here. It does have a 12-inch screen on it, which is really awesome, which you can control all your audio, a lot of different controls, your phone, navigation, all at a touch of a finger. And it's right there, so you don't have to look somewhere else, just go right there. Another nice feature is the backup sensors. Camera, you put it in reverse, and what it does is as you back up, it starts beeping, and then it gets faster and faster and faster. And once a solid beep, it's time to stop. And if you look down here, you can see the lines on each side, and it shows you when you're driving along, if a vehicle gets alongside of you, it will beep, and it'll just show up with a little icon in your side mirrors, which is, again, really awesome. And here you have your electronic parking brake, and you've got your different drive modes right here. So you don't have to reach on the dash, you can do it right here. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel low, and you have some more off-road controls here. And this is the keyless. All you do is put your hand on the brake, push the button, as long as the key is within the vehicle or on your presence. And you've got trailer control right here. That's your plus and minus if you hook up a trailer and have trailer brakes. It's already set up for that. This does have power front seats, heated front seats, and the driver's seat even is a memory seat, so the person can set it to their own wherever they want it, where they're comfortable, and if somebody else comes in and change it, all you gotta do is push a button, and it'd go right back to where you had it. If you got multiple drivers, it's a really nice feature. Notice all your dash and your sides all has the orange inlet also to set the dash off really nice. Steering wheel is also heated. Plus it has the automatic start and stop, so when you come to a stop and you're there for any length of time, the engine will shut off And as soon as you get ready to go again, it'll pop right back on. Same with your headlights. Your headlights are automatic on and off, automatic high beam, low beam. So if you've got your high beams on and a vehicle approaches you, they will automatically shut down and go back to normal, and then come back on the high beams when the vehicle is passed. What we're going to do is just take it for a little spin. I'll show you the acceleration, how well it does hold the road on curves. And it is a pretty comfortable drive for being large off-road tires. And this vehicle does come with a 10-speaker stereo system, which is awesome. Plus it's set up for a Sirius radio that you can subscribe to. It has sync. You can sync your telephone to it. Let's see what we do here. Plenty of power, more than you need. It's really nice with that 10-speed automatic transmission. Holds the road really well. And it is 4-wheel drive. So if you want to do some good off-roading, this is the truck to get. And it also looks awesome. Well, this is the end of our little demo for today, and there's so many more features that it'd take too long to let you know them all. Go on our website at www.heritage.com, and you get a full description of the vehicle, full set of pictures, inside, outside. And if you have any questions, you can call one of our product specialists at 812-738-3284. And thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.